back to my channel. It's your girl Kelly once again. How are you guys doing today? Thank you for coming. It's because of you guys I'm still here doing this video, and I'm happy to see you, talk to you one more time. So today I'm gonna do a detox juice or drink. We know that we all need this kind of stuff once in a while, at least once a month, so we can be on the healthier side, purify our body for all the junk, all the junk and stuff. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you all that I have here for you today. I have pineapple first. We all know that pineapple is full of vitamin C, magnesium, fiber, protein. Is full of antioxidants or folates. Guys, just name it. Do your own research about those vegetables or fruits. You will be amazed. So the next thing I have for you is the flaxseed. The flaxseed, this seed, guys, is loaded with iron, calcium, potassium. And the next thing on my left hand here, I have my carrots. And we all know that carrots is sweet, full of sugar. Not that much amount, but carrot has sugar. Carrot have fiber. Carrot is good at potassium. Carrots have biotin. Carrots have vitamin A and a lot more. And the next thing will be my celery. This celery, guys, celery is full of rich in vitamin and mineral, low in glycemic index. That means it can lower your blood, your sugar level, your glycemic level. So that's all the and my next ingredient is spinach. Spinach help you reduce blood pressure. It help with the eye system. It help your eye. Spinach is full of vitamin and minerals as well, and it fights with cancer cells in your body. That means it prevents cancer. And my last thing is cucumber. Cucumber, we all know cucumber as the powerful vegetable for weight loss. It lower your blood sugar as well, and cucumber is full of antioxidant as well. So those are all my ingredients. Let's go ahead and combine all this and make our healthy drink for today. My first ingredient to put in is going to be the pineapple. I love pineapple. And I'll be adding my carrot, the next thing will be my celery. Celery, I love the smell of celery. And next I'll be adding my cucumber. full of water. Let me stop at this point and add the spinach first. And I'll be adding my flaxseed. This is 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. I'll be adding just a little bit of water to help it ground well. So from here, I'll be adding the rest of my pineapple. My cucumber. So for this, I have a pineapple, 1 cucumber, 1 carrot, and a bunch of so that is, guys, that is my healthy detox that I wanted to share with you today. As you can see, it doesn't look inviting at all because of all the chunk of the carrot inside. You see some of the flat seeds, but those are healthy for you. So all you need to do is just go ahead and do it, try it. You can feel the seed inside, and the carrot is there. The taste, honestly, the taste is not the best at all, but just try it. You will love it. You'll feel good in your body after trying this. Yeah, the way your body will be rejecting all those junk there, you will love it, guys. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm glad you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be glad if you try this and let me know. I would like your feedback. I will really appreciate your feedback, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys the next time. Don't forget to push the subscriber button and the little bell sign near the subscriber button, the red button. Push that bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed and stay blessed. Au revoir. Bye bye.